In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multi-currency in Xero, which is an incredibly useful feature for businesses dealing with international clients or suppliers. To start, head over to Xero's website by clicking on go-to-xero.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll land on the dashboard where you'll see a list of your organizations. Select the organization you want to manage. Now, it's important to note that the multi-currency feature is only available on Xero's premium plan. So, if you're not already on this plan, you'll need to upgrade before moving forward. For those who need to upgrade, click on your organization's name found in the top left corner of the screen. This will present a drop-down menu where you can adjust your subscriptions after upgrading, or if you're already on the premium plan, click on your organization's name once more to access the main menu. From here, navigate to Settings and then click on Currencies. This is where you'll manage all the currencies you want to work with. Next, you'll see an Add Currency button. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down list will appear showing all the available currencies. Carefully select the currency you want to add, whether it's USD, EUR, GBP, or any other. Once you've made your selection, click Add Currency. From this point, Xero will start using live exchange rates, which are updated hourly, ensuring your financial data is accurate and up to date. If you need to set a default currency for a specific customer or supplier, which can simplify transactions, go head over to your contact list. Select the contact you wish to update and then click on Edit, followed by Financial Details. You'll see an option to choose a default currency for this particular contact. Choose the appropriate currency and click Save. When you create new invoices, bills, or quotes, you'll now notice a currency drop-down at the top. This added feature allows you to choose the appropriate currency for each transaction. Conveniently, Xero will automatically apply the current exchange rate, so there's no need for manual calculations. To keep track of any currency fluctuations, navigate to the Reports section, then click on Foreign Currency Gains and Losses. This report helps you monitor how currency changes affect your financial standing. Xero keeps these figures updated in real time, providing valuable insights to help you make informed business decisions. By following these steps, you'll effectively manage multi-currency transactions within Xero, enabling smooth and efficient dealings with international clients and suppliers. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting!